my name is Donghoon Kang, and this is my submission for the 15112 term project. For my project, I decided to do a web application specifically designed for the video game League of Legends. League of Legends is a unique online game which essentially works by pairing you up with 4 different team members. And a cool thing about the game is that you can actually choose who those team members are. But as of right now, it's kind of hard to find other people who have, say, like a similar playstyle to you or are of similar skill level. So what my web app tries to do is find a solution to that by offering you an opportunity to input your own playstyle and then kind of dynamically match you with different players of similar playstyle or who would mesh well with you in terms of the game. And so let's get started. And so the first page that you're directed to is a form page where you can input your own information. Here I'll just put in my own information. And then I'm from North America. I play support. And generally supports play with 80 carries. And here I have a few questions where you talk about what kind of playstyle you have so that the matching algorithm that I wrote can better match you with somebody who would fit your playstyle the best. So I'll just answer these questions. Yeah, so as you can see, it's a fairly basic questionnaire about playstyle. It doesn't go too deep, but it gets a general idea of how you should be playing. And so here, finally, it leads you with your match. And it'll show you information about who they are, what they play, how they're doing in ranked, what their kill death assist ratio is. And we see here we have a 73% match. So the way the matching algorithm works is that it weighs some of the questions more than others and will match you based on how efficiently you mesh together. And based on those different answers to different questions, I may have been matched with somebody else. For example, the way I answered this form here was I like to play pretty aggressively. I like to trade in lane. I'm aggressive. I like burst champions. And so I got matched with a person that would also be playing aggressive. If I changed my answer to more of a less aggressive answer, then I would be matched with somebody else who has a more passive or farm-heavy playstyle. And so we can see here that I've been given a different 80 carry who presumably plays more safe in the video game. And that's the way it works. If there isn't a match for you, let's say I'm somebody who is, let's say I'm looking for, I can just stay with myself. If I'm looking for somebody that plays top lane, which in this case I specifically didn't put in any data that had any top laner so that we could see the specific scenario. If I try to find a match here, it'll actually say there are no matches, but your data will be inputted in, and so if top laner ever comes in looking for a support, then they'll be matched to me based on how well we mesh together. Yeah, and that's about it for the project. Just a few more things about how the algorithm works. It also takes into account what rank you are and what region you are. So the way League of Legends works is that you can't queue with people that are too much better or too much worse than you. And so it will take that into account and say, right now I'm Platinum 3, so it'll only match me with people within one tier of me, somebody who's in Diamond or somebody who's in Gold. And so, for example, there are some people in the database that would be like Silver and Bronze, but I wouldn't be able to match with them no matter what input I put in because they wouldn't have the right capability to match with me. Yeah, and that's about it for my project. Thanks for watching.